Hello everyone. So in this session we will be exploring about web scraping. Let's try to understand what is web scraping. Uh, so in most of the scenario, right, you will be getting data from different sources, and one of the source is web as well, which is uh, very common to extract the data. So what happens? Normally, we need to extract the data from website, from a given website. For example, this is Ambition Box websites, which provides company reviews, ratings, and all that. All right. I will take an example of this one, and so this is the company rating information. And for example, this is the company, and I would like to extract this details. What is the reviews, comments, and all those stuff. So, as you are able to see here, we are having page one, page two, right? This is a pagination, and with that we can go on different page, and then we can extract information. So to extract the information, there is very popular library which is Beautiful Soup. Okay, so Beautiful Soup is very popular to uh, make uh, whatever HTML response we get, make it accessible. So easily you can navigate to that page at client side. Um, One thing commonly nowadays, a lot of pages, websites have robot.txt, which stops if someone is uh, crawling their page to programmatic way. So for that, should be able to use this header uh, in a program to bypass that. Even though I'm just now doing, I'm not sure because I have did multiple time. It is not passing through. But normally, if you would like to access any web link, just you can do that request.get URL, and then you will be able to get a response. And if you are doing dot text means this will get generated in the text. In my case, all HTML it's getting printed, but here it is saying that I don't have permission to access. Okay. Um, yeah. So this is where I was trying, but we will not hold up because of that, and I would like to run through this session. So here, once we get that response, right? For example, we got this response here, and uh, what we are going to say that, hey, beautiful soup, this is your web page response, and this is a parser. You go and parse it. The soup will parse, and it will print now the same HTML in the beautiful format. You can see here, right? It is readable. Compared to this, you can see here it is readable. And it's provide a couple of more uh, useful things, right? So how you can find title. So you should be able to navigate, for example, swift.title.text. You will be able to get this title, and then similarly, if you are going to find all the links, hyperlinks, right, in the page. For example, these are the hyperlinks, right? So these are the links, right? When I'm hovering over, it's becoming a link. So all these are links. So if you are able to find all links, it will provide you all the links. This is all the link href tags, and this will find all image tags, right? And this you can find in a particular div or particular section, right? But this one will find in whole HTML text. Okay, and this is if you would like to find any paragraphs, this will get used to find all paragraph, find all h1 dot 0 dot text. So here list of companies it is able to get because you will see this in head title and h1 it was there, right? And now to find out names of the companies. Uh, so let's try to understand this page, right? So this is the TCS name of the company, right? If you inspect, you should be able to see this is S2 tag, right? And within S2, the title is TCS, and even inside that, you should be able to see company. This is the class CSS, and within that, you are seeing TCS text, right? So within this S2, even though title is TCS, but its value contains TCS inside it. So here, if you are finding all the S2, you will be able to get all the company name. So here, earlier extraction, it's showing with that all the company names. It is been extracted, right? And in the same way, uh, if you would like to get the company overview, right? So find all P and uh, its paragraph. So see, go to that text again. So within this, it might be it has they have, but here write it right. So this is a span, right? And within this span, we are able to see this text, right? Overview. So earlier it was in P, so it was able to get this company overview, right? And it is able to print it out. So company overview. This has been slight change, right? So here you will be able to see company overview, company summary, right? Yeah. So these are the DO. Actually, it is style down property, right? So this is the company summary. If you are inspecting it here, right? Inside this DO, you are able to see. But earlier it was on paragraph. So it was able to iterate through all the paragraph and able to get all this. So to find the ratings, again, it find all P and which class is rating. Within that, it was able to find and all the length. So how many ratings has been provided. Next is to find out the number of reviews. So again, there is a class tag for a given all links, and this is the another condition where based on that it is able to find it. Then considering the whole container, the class, this is whole container. Let's see, again, this is the length of that, right? And uh, yeah, so if you will create name, ratings, reviews, C types, right? So all these array you have created, and if you would like to iterate through all the companies, here you find it out, and with that you should be able to append the names, right? Ratings, P and its class, right? Whatever individual we extracted, and with that, all this create a data frame under data frame and put in a data frame, right? And now within the names, you got all the names, ratings, you got all the rating, reviews, you got the reviews, uh, C types, headquarters, right? Um, how old it is, number of employees, and df.shape, you will get all this everything in one uh, data frame, right? And creating a data frame for all the pages. If you would like to create a data frame for all the pages, so we saw for one page, right? If you would like, if you would be able to iterate and your site is allowing you to iterate, then you can fill all those data in an array and you will have a company. Okay. And again, that's against that company, you will go iterate and append all those things one by one. And then you will create a data frame, add a name and everything, right? And after getting all these ratings, finally you will create a final uh, data frame, and in that you will append data frames, whatever you have created earlier. So whatever we did for one company here earlier, this operation, whole operation, we should be doing it for each company. And with that, we should be able to get this sample out, right? And you will see that this many rows and 7 columns. And finally, after that, you will get this much 3000 rows here within the final one and 7 columns. So this is all about with web scraping and Beautiful Soup. Uh, it will make your common understanding clear how to use Beautiful Soup for web scraping.